Self-esteem refers to the overall subjective sense of one's own worth or value. It involves beliefs and feelings about oneself, encompassing thoughts, emotions, and perceptions regarding one's abilities, appearance, achievements, and place in the world. High self-esteem often leads to greater resilience, confidence, and a more positive outlook on life, while low self-esteem can result in feelings of inadequacy, self-doubt, and a negative self-perception. During the time of Buddha, there's a story about a disciple named Ananda, known for his humility and dedication. Ananda struggled with his self-esteem, often feeling unworthy compared to other disciples. One day, Ananda approached Buddha with a heavy heart, expressing his feelings of inadequacy and low self-worth. He compared himself unfavorably to other disciples, believing he lacked the wisdom and enlightenment they possessed. Buddha, with his compassionate wisdom, listened attentively to Ananda's concerns. Instead of dismissing Ananda's feelings, Buddha gently guided him to understand that comparing himself to others was causing his suffering. He emphasized that each individual's journey towards enlightenment was unique and personal. Buddha shared a parable about a lotus flower. He explained that just as lotus flowers bloom differently, some earlier, some later, each has its beauty and purpose. Similarly, in the pursuit of enlightenment, each person's path and timing are distinct and should not be compared. Through this teaching, Ananda realized the significance of self-acceptance and embracing his own journey without measuring it against others. Buddha's guidance helped Ananda recognize his own strengths and contributions, fostering a sense of self-worth and contentment within him. This story illustrates the importance of self-acceptance, understanding one's unique path, and finding inner worth, without comparing oneself to others. A valuable lesson in fostering self-esteem and personal growth during Buddha's time. Factors such as upbringing, experiences, achievements, and social interactions can significantly influence one's self-esteem. Building healthy self-esteem involves recognizing strengths, accepting weaknesses, setting realistic goals, and fostering self-compassion. Improving self-esteem takes time and effort. Here are some strategies to boost self-esteem. Practice self-compassion. Involves treating yourself with kindness, understanding, and acceptance, especially during times of struggle or when facing personal shortcomings. When it comes to improving self-esteem, practicing self-compassion plays a significant role. Self-compassion involves being less harsh and critical towards oneself. Instead of engaging in negative self-talk or self-criticism, it encourages a more forgiving and understanding attitude, embracing the reality of being human and accepting imperfections and mistakes as part of life. Self-compassion allows you to acknowledge these imperfections without letting them diminish your self-worth. Treating oneself with kindness and care creates an internal environment that nurtures growth, resilience, and positive self-regard. This mindset contributes to a more stable and healthy self-esteem. Self-compassion helps in bouncing back from failures or setbacks. Rather than seeing them as personal flaws, self-compassion allows you to view them as opportunities for learning and growth. Accepting and validating one's emotions without judgment is a crucial aspect of self-compassion. This validation leads to a healthier emotional state and, consequently, a more stable sense of self-worth. In essence, self-compassion serves as a foundation for a healthier self-esteem. By nurturing a kinder, a more understanding relationship with oneself, it encourages recognizing one's intrinsic value and worth. Beyond achievements, failures, or external validations, practicing self-compassion involves treating oneself with the same kindness and empathy that one might offer to a close friend in times of need. Identify and challenge negative thoughts. The first step involves recognizing negative thoughts as they occur. It's about becoming aware of the critical or self-defeating inner dialogue that might undermine your self-esteem. Once identified, challenge these negative thoughts. Ask yourself if there's evidence supporting these thoughts, or if they're based on assumptions or past experiences. Often, negative thoughts are exaggerated or unrealistic. Reframe negative thoughts by consciously replacing them with more realistic, positive, or compassionate ones. For instance, instead of "I always mess things up," consider a more balanced thought like "I've had setbacks, but I've also overcome challenges." Challenge the assumptions underlying negative thoughts. Are these thoughts based on facts, or are they interpretations colored by past experiences or biases? Encourage yourself to gather evidence that contradicts negative beliefs. Look for instances where your abilities, strengths, or successes disprove these negative thoughts. Replace negative self-talk with positive affirmations. Cultivate a habit of speaking to yourself with kindness and encouragement. Being mindful of your thoughts allows you to observe them without judgment. This practice helps create distance from negative thoughts, preventing them from affecting your self-esteem as strongly. By actively challenging negative thoughts and consciously altering them, you reshape the way you perceive yourself. Over time, this process can significantly contribute to a more positive and realistic self-view, fostering healthier self-esteem. Set realistic goals. Setting and accomplishing realistic goals provide a sense of accomplishment. Even small achievements contribute to a feeling of competence and confidence. Having achievable goals gives you something to strive for, motivating you to take action and make progress. This continuous progress contributes to a positive self-perception. Achieving realistic goals reinforces the belief in your ability to succeed, known as self-efficacy. This confidence in your capabilities spills over into other areas of life, contributing to overall self-esteem. Working towards and achieving realistic goals involves overcoming obstacles and setbacks. This process builds resilience and reinforces the belief that you can handle challenges, enhancing self-esteem. The process of setting goals involves self-reflection and self-awareness. It encourages evaluating strengths, weaknesses, and progress, fostering personal growth and a more positive self-perception. When setting realistic goals, it's important to consider your strengths, limitations, and the resources available to you. Break larger goals into smaller, manageable steps, and celebrate each milestone achieved. This approach fosters a sense of progress and accomplishment, contributing to an overall improvement in self-esteem. Celebrate achievements. Celebrating achievements reinforces a positive cycle. When you acknowledge and celebrate your successes, it reinforces the behavior that led to those achievements, encouraging you to continue similar actions in the future. Recognizing and celebrating your accomplishments helps build confidence. It reinforces the belief that you're capable of achieving your goals, fostering a more positive self-view. Celebrating achievements acknowledges the effort, dedication, and hard work that went into reaching a goal. It reminds you that your actions and perseverance matter, which is essential for self-esteem. When you celebrate your achievements, it motivates you to set new goals and pursue them. It instills a sense of enthusiasm and drive to keep striving for more. Celebrating achievements provides a sense of fulfillment and satisfaction, contributing to a more positive outlook on life and a greater sense of well-being. Celebrating achievements doesn't necessarily mean throwing a big party for every success. It can be as simple as acknowledging your accomplishment giving yourself a pat on the back, treating yourself to something special, or sharing your success with supportive friends or family. By acknowledging and celebrating even small wins, you reinforce a positive self-perception and cultivate a mindset focused on growth and progress. Take care of yourself. Engaging in regular exercise, eating a balanced diet, and getting enough sleep positively affect your physical health. When you feel physically well, it can enhance your self-image and confidence. Prioritizing mental health through practices like mindfulness, relaxation techniques, and seeking therapy when needed helps manage stress and anxiety. This, in turn, contributes to a more positive self-perception. Taking care of yourself emotionally involves recognizing and addressing your emotions. It includes practicing self-compassion, setting boundaries, and engaging in activities that bring you joy, all of which can bolster self-esteem. Incorporating self-care routines into your daily life, such as taking time for hobbies, relaxation, or activities that rejuvenate you, reinforces a sense of self-worth and importance. Respecting your own needs and setting boundaries in relationships and commitments helps prevent burnout and foster self-respect, which is essential for a healthy self-esteem. Pay attention to how you talk to yourself. Practice positive self-talk and self-affirmations, treating yourself with kindness and encouragement. When you prioritize self-care, you send yourself the message that you are valuable and deserving of care and attention. This can significantly impact how you perceive yourself, contributing to a more positive self-esteem. Remember, self-care is not selfish. It's an essential component of maintaining a healthy relationship with yourself. Build supportive relationships. Supportive relationships provide validation and acceptance. When you feel accepted for who you are, it reinforces a positive self-image and self-worth. Supportive relationships offer encouragement and constructive feedback. This helps you recognize your strengths and areas for improvement. In a nurturing environment, boosting self-esteem. Having someone to lean on during challenging times provides emotional support. Knowing you have someone who cares can bolster your confidence and sense of security. Engaging in positive experiences with supportive individuals can reinforce feelings of belonging and connectedness, which are essential for a healthy self-esteem. Supportive relationships often involve role models who exhibit traits or behaviors you admire. Being around such individuals can inspire personal growth and a more positive self-perception. Healthy relationships involve setting boundaries that respect your needs and values. Having supportive relationships that encourage you to set boundaries fosters self-respect and self-esteem. Supportive relationships provide a healthy platform for a comparison, where individuals uplift and support each other, rather than fostering competition or negativity. Nurturing and maintaining supportive relationships involves mutual respect, communication, and empathy. Investing in relationships that uplift and support you, while also being a source of support for others, creates a positive social environment that contributes significantly to improve self-esteem. Learn new skills. Acquiring new skills or knowledge provides a sense of achievement. When you master something new, it reinforces your confidence and self-worth. Developing new skills expands your competence and abilities. As you become more proficient in a skill, it boosts your confidence in your capabilities. Learning something new often involves stepping out of your comfort zone and taking on challenges. Overcoming these challenges contributes to personal growth and resilience, positively impacting self-esteem. Acquiring new skills enhances adaptability and flexibility. Knowing you have the capacity to learn and adapt to new situations fosters a more positive self-perception As you learn and master new skills, it strengthens your belief in your ability to succeed in various areas of life. This belief, known as self-efficacy, is a key component of healthy self-esteem. Engaging in activities that allow you to learn and grow brings a sense of fulfillment and purpose. This satisfaction with your accomplishments contributes to a more positive self-view. When learning new skills, focus on areas that genuinely interest you or align with your goals. Whether it's a new language, a hobby, a professional skill, or anything else that captures your curiosity, the process of learning and growth can significantly enhance your self-esteem. Practice assertiveness. Being assertive means advocating for yourself without being aggressive or passive. It involves communicating your needs and boundaries, which reinforces a sense of self-worth. Assertiveness helps in setting and maintaining boundaries in relationships and interactions. This fosters self-respect and sends the message that your needs and feelings are valid. Assertive communication allows you to express yourself clearly and confidently. This boosts self-confidence and self-assurance in social interactions. Assertiveness involves respectful and direct communication. This helps in reducing the anxiety or fear associated with expressing oneself, contributing to improved self-esteem. Being assertive aids in resolving conflicts by expressing your perspective calmly and constructively. Successfully navigating conflicts reinforces a positive self-image. Assertiveness allows you to stand up for yourself in situations where your rights or needs are at stake. Doing so reinforces a sense of self-worth and dignity. Practicing assertiveness involves learning communication skills, such as active listening, using I statements to express feelings, and maintaining a confident and respectful tone. It's about striking a balance between your needs and the needs of others, without compromising your values or self-respect. Mastering assertiveness can significantly contribute to a healthier self-esteem by fostering self-respect and confidence in interpersonal interactions. Seek professional help if needed. A trained therapist or counselor can offer expertise in identifying underlying issues affecting self-esteem and provide guidance tailored to your specific needs. Professionals can help you delve into the root causes of low self-esteem, whether they stem from past experiences, trauma, negative thought patterns, or other factors. Therapists use evidence-based techniques like cognitive behavioral therapy, CBT, mindfulness-based approaches, or other therapeutic modalities to address self-esteem issues effectively. Therapy provides a safe and non-judgmental environment to explore and process feelings, thoughts, and experiences contributing to low self-esteem. Professionals can teach practical skills and tools to challenge negative beliefs, improve self-awareness, and develop healthier coping mechanisms. Having a supportive professional to validate your experiences and provide guidance can significantly boost your confidence and self-worth. Working with a professional can lead to long-lasting improvements in self-esteem, providing you with strategies and insights that can benefit you beyond therapy sessions. Remember, seeking professional help is a courageous step towards self-improvement and personal growth. A therapist or counselor can offer personalized support and guidance that can significantly contribute to improving your self-esteem and overall well-being. Remember, improving self-esteem is a gradual process, and being patient and kind to yourself throughout the journey is crucial.